Hello, in this video, I will discuss about professional ethics in various fields. So we'll be discussing the different professional ethics, professional code of ethics, and the nature of ethical codes, why professional ethics matters, and identify ethical issues specific to different professions, and apply ethical codes in daily life. Okay. So in a world driven by competition, deadlines, and profit, what stops a professional from taking shortcuts, hiding mistakes, or exploiting trust? So, ang mundo natin ay ah, kultura na yung bawat isa ay driven ng kanilang competition. Okay lang kung competent. Deadlines. At paano kumita? Ayun. So, every profession from engineering to hospitality, from teaching to technology, operates on more than just technical skills. It runs on a foundation of trust, responsibility, and integrity. So this foundation is built through professional ethics. So the moral compass that guides how we act when no one is watching, and even more importantly, when everyone is or when everyone is today. So we will explore in this video what professional ethics really mean, why they matter in every field, and sabi ko kanina, and how ethical decision making can shape not just careers but lives. Because when professionals make ethical choices, they don't just do good work, they do the right work. So don't just do good work, do the right work. So first, let us define what is professional ethics. Professional ethics refers to the moral principles and standards that guide behavior and decision making within a specific profession. So that's why each profession has ethical code or code of ethics. So, professional ethics here, click ko muna. And professional ethics, why it matters in every field. It serves as a moral compass, guiding individuals and organizations towards responsible conduct and decision making. Professional ethics encompass a set of principles, values, and standards that govern the behavior of individuals within a specific occupation or industry. These ethics are not merely a set of rules to follow but are deeply intertwined with the integrity, reputation, and trustworthiness of both individuals and the professions they represent. So it means, it says here that it is a guiding compass or a compass guiding individuals. So you will know how to behave, and it will guide you in your decision making. What is right? It's not only what is good, but what is right. And then, this professional ethics has a set of principles, values, and standard that governs your behavior. Masasabi mo na ethical or unethical because of those principles and values for a specific profession. For example, cross-cutting, food safety, yan, mga different, kung sa food naman, sa HRM, ay food safety, isa yon. Kung sa ano naman sa engineering, syempre yung safety. Kaya may mga safety officer, meron silang license na kailangan silang pumirma. Ayan. So these ethics are not merely a set of rules also to follow, but are deeply intertwined. Ibig sabihin ay naka-built-in dito yung integrity, reputation, trustworthiness. So ito yung makikita mo sa ethics. So ethical, ibig sabihin yung isang tao, pagka siya ay kumilos in an ethical way or in his profession, it means he has integrity, reputation, and can be trustworthy. So the nature of ethical codes in the world of work, codes of ethics provide the basis for good works ethics. So, and right words. So these codes generally set up a system of duties and obligations, furnish a system of right and wrong, promote positive work values, and define what comprises ethical and unethical practices in the performance of work or the practice of any profession. So ito yung sinasabi natin na nature. Ano ang likas? Ayan. Na makikita mo. Okay. So, iba-iba sa iba-ibang field, professional ethics. in every profession, like sa medicine, sa law, engineering, journalism, or any other, the concept of professional ethics plays a pivotal role. Why? Because it matters in every field, so that you will know how to act and what should be your behavior, how you behave in that certain situation in your profession. Yeah. And that will guide you in your decision making. So these ethics are merely set of rules. So yan yung sa professional ethics, why it matters. So sa nature naman, yung kanina, Code of Ethics governing work profession embrace the principles of selfless service. Okay. And other is principles of right action or exemplary and honorable norms of conduct. Ayan, mahalaga yon. Which is in the performance of work in the practice of profession. So, seldom do we see ethical codes that attempt to rationalize and make socially acceptable the excessive expression of the pursuit of profit and other selfish interests. So, ang pinopromote sa ethical code, makikita mo ay yung maayos na conduct, honorable, exemplary and honorable conduct. Hindi siya in pursuit of profit and selfish interest. And its profession subscribe to a set of ethical code. So, bawat profession. Dito, professional codes of ethics. Its profession subscribes to a set of ethical codes because the practice of a profession cannot be regulated entirely by law and legislation. Professional codes remind members of the profession of their moral obligations to the public, to their profession, to their colleagues, and to their clients. These codes also try to guide the actions of professional worker where the law is inadequate. So, hindi kasi nasasakop lahat ng batas, kaya meron tayong tinatawag na professional code of ethics sa bawat field, sa bawat profession. So these codes also try to guide the action of professional worker where the law is inadequate. So as such, professional code of ethics usually reflects the nature of the ethics observed by the particular profession. So these are the example. Okay. The following are the example of different ethical issue. Ito. I'll give you the example. Ethical issue, safety versus cost cutting. So, saan ito na field? Mechanical engineer. So, a mechanical engineering is asked to approve a cheaper material for a machine part to reduce production cost. However, the material has a higher failure rate, could endanger users. So, dilemma. Anong dilemma ng isang engineer dito? Should the engineer prioritize safety and possibly lose the contract or delay production? Or go ahead with a cost-saving decision despite safety concerns. So, ang ano dito is the safety. Sabi natin kanina, pag mga engineers, yun yung isa sa mga code of ethics. So, yan, kung ikaw ay mechanical engineer at sumusunod ka sa code of ethics na iyong profession, of course, you will follow the safety. Number 2, example, ethical issue, structural integrity or compromise. So sa civil engineer, a civil engineer discovers that a contractor is using substandard concrete in a bridge construction project to cut cost. So as an engineer, you discover that. Dilemma, reporting the issue might delay the project and upset powerful stakeholders, but ignoring it could result in a collapse and loss of lives. So, para madali mo ito madesisyonan as a civil engineer, then, because of the code of ethics na tinatawag structural integrity, you're going to report the issue. Kasi nga, sumusunod ka sa iyong code of ethics, sa iyong professional code of ethics. Number 3, ethical issue, food safety versus business profit. A hotel manager learns that the kitchen is reusing leftover food to reduce waste and cut costs, but this practice may violate food safety regulations. Dilemma, should the manager allow this to continue for the sake of profit or take action that may harm the business bottom line but ensures customer safety? So dito, kikita ka ba or food safety? So ayan. So nasa dilemma ka, baka mawalan ka pa ng trabaho. But because you follow the code of ethics in your profession, then you will not allow. Okay, so you will not allow because you are going to follow the the food safety. Number 4, ethical issue, user privacy and data collection. Ito naman para sa mga uh, for example, you are BSS. A software developer working on a mobile app is asked to implement code that secretly collects users' personal data for marketing purposes. Dilemma: should the developer follow orders from management or refuse compromise user privacy and risk losing their job? Ayan. So, yan yung dilemma. But if you are familiar with your code of ethics as professional, then you know the privacy, data privacy. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya i-compromise because you're going to follow the code of ethics in your profession. So, your knowledge may get you the job, but your ethics will define your legacy. So, what kind of legacy you want to leave? Na gusto mong maiwan. So no matter what profession you choose, whether you build bridges, write code, serve food, or save lives, your action will always speak louder than your titles. Ethical behavior isn't just about avoiding punishment, it's about earning trust, upholding dignity, and doing right even when it's hard. So remember, professional ethics are not just rules to follow, they are values to live by. Kasi kapag yun ay pinapamukay mo, it's easy for you. Because it will become your practice, natural, your lifestyle. So they are the invisible threads that tie your profession to society and your personal integrity to your professional success. So, para safe ka lagi, is this the right thing to do? Let that question guide you. So, for the activity in this topic, you are going to identify the ethical issues in different professions. So, ano yung instruction? Identify the profession involved. What kind of profession is involved in that situation or scenario? And then, number 2, describe the ethical issue in your own words. What is the wrong or questionable behavior? Number 3, explain briefly what should be the ethical response. What is the right thing to do? So there are 10 scenario that I'm going to give. Then you identify the profession, describe the ethical issue, and explain briefly what should be the ethical response. Okay, number 1, a manager in a hotel discovers that the kitchen staff has been serving leftover buffet food to new guests to cut down on waste and cost. So in this situation scenario, you're going to answer 3. Identify the profession, describe the ethical issue, and explain briefly what should be the ethical response. So every question scenario, every number, you are going to answer 3. Okay. An engineer is asked to sign off on a building project even though the materials used do not meet safety standards. That's number 2. Number 3, a nurse overhears a colleague discussing a patient's medical condition in a public area of the hospital. Number 4, a software developer is instructed to design an app that collects user data without asking for permission. Number 5, oh, the number is wrong. Supposed to be number 5. So a journalist is told by the editor to publish an article that is biased and lacks proper sources to support a political agenda. 7. An accountant is pressured by their boss to hide financial losses in the company's year-end report to impress investors. 8. A teacher gives higher grades to certain students because their parents are major donors to the school. Okay? So there are only, I think, because the numbering, yung numbering kanina ay may mali. So, ito yung kulang kasi 9 lang ito, the number 10. This is the number 10 question. I will just dictate, but it is found in your module. Okay. So, yung number 6, an accountant is pressured to hide financial losses. So, ano yung profession doon? Anong ethical issue? Explanation. Okay, so those questions, okay, are the 8 questions that you're going to answer. Wala pala sa inyong module. So, ulitin ko yung last na question number 10 because there are only 9 Kasi walang number 5. Ito yung number 10, accountant pressured to hide financial losses. Okay, that's all for today. Remember, always remember this quote. Your knowledge may get you the job, but your ethics will define your legacy. God bless.